If you've not got ClipChamp installed on your computer, you can always work with it online by going to the link in the description. So if you belong to a website like Epidemic Sound, or you get your media from somewhere else, such as YouTube Studio, you can always import your media by going up here to import your music. So if I go up to here, go to desktop and go to projects, it depends where your music is or your voiceover. There's the music. The music you can always add to the timeline by going to there. You can trim the music like this. Or you can cut it. I'll just show you that in a second. You can move the blade. The clip highlighted, then you can tap on the scissors there, do a right click and delete. If you tap on the audio, you can go to, up here you've got different options. You can go to audio, you can adjust the volume, add noise suppression if it's a voiceover. Noise suppression gets rid of like traffic in the background, stuff like that. You can add a fade in, fade out. You can speed the audio up as well, you can slow it down. So if I do a right click on here, I can reduce the volume. So I just made a mistake there. I can go up the top to undo. So if I do a right click on that clip, I can duplicate the clip. So if I had a long visual clip and I wanted music to play through it, and I wanted the same track all the way through it, I can overlap it like that. So if this was a continuation here. So if you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to watch the next video where I cover more stuff about audio effects and stuff like that.